today I'm going to show you how to adjust height, length and thickness of your walls. Before you start drawing, you can go to File in the top left corner of your screen, set your dimensions and go to Settings. From here you can access wall thickness. If you want to edit it, you can click in that little window and you can type in your correct measurements. Now you can start drawing your floor plan. When using a wall tool, you can type in measurements straight away . The same while using Room tool. Type in your width, click on the forward key on your keyboard and type in your height, which is actually the length of your floor plan. We can also adjust our wall length a different way. We will just first create our floor plan. If you need to change the length of your walls, you have to click on adjoining walls. Let's say that we want to change the length of this wall here, then we can click on either this wall or this wall. Now when you click, this little window will open. Now you can click in that window and you can type in your correct measurements and click enter. If you want to change the height of your walls, you have to click on any wall. You have to go to Edit in the top center of your screen, and now wall properties will open on your right hand side. We can work with height and thickness of our walls from here. For height, we can either select full wall, which means that the changes will apply to our complete floor plan, or a partial wall if we want to work with height of selected wall only. We'll go with the full wall first. So now when we have full wall selected, we can either move and change our height from here, or we can click here and edit our height. Then we click on enter. Now all the walls in our existing floor plan will have this height. If we want to change a height of only one wall, again we select that wall, we go to edit and we need to select partial wall. We just need to remember that that wall can only be lower than the rest walls in our floor plan. To change the thickness of your walls, you can select the wall, again go to edit, and here you can change the thickness of that selected wall only. You can do that with as many walls as you need. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!